Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little review on the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. This one was sent to me by the lovely Priceline team, but I was just so intrigued by the packaging that I wanted to review this mascara. This is unlike any other packaging that I've ever seen before, and it's brand new on the market. I've actually tried to search for it on Priceline's website and I can't find it at this time. Oh, I just realized that I could do that with it and I didn't know that. There goes the demo portion of this review. But I've not seen anyone else talk about this mascara, so I wanted to give it a little go and see what I think of it, share my experience with you. I'll give you a little rundown first. Reading off the L'Oreal Paris AU website, it says instant lash lift effect for 24-hour length and volume. Bendable mascara wand. Now, when I thought that they said bendable, I thought that they literally meant this is bendable. I didn't realize that they meant this is bendable, which in theory probably may have changed my lash application. However, I honestly think it's a little bit gimmicky. Reaches every last lash from corner to corner. Long wear formula, intense black finish for high impact lashes. Lengthens, volumizes, defines, and separates lashes. And I believe that it only comes in black, just black. I can't find the actual price on this, but I would think that this would be from $25 to $30 here in Australia, which is a standard price across the L'Oreal mascaras. I am a big fan of L'Oreal mascaras. I have been for years. All right, we're going to jump into the demo of this mascara. Okay, so I have the mascara here unopened. I'm going to open it up. The wand you can see is very bendy. Got my mirror, got the mascara. Now I usually apply on top first, so I'm going to apply as normal. That didn't really get in my lashes on the top. I feel like it's coating every lash, but I feel like there's a possibility that it's going to clump if I keep going right now, and clump not in a good way, in like a wet way, whereas everything will clump together. I'm going to do my lower lash line. Wow, that actually looks really good. That's the best mascara I've seen on my lower lash line in a long time. On the top again, just a bit sparingly. Oh, that's worked really well. That looks really good. It actually feels quite wet, but I can see on the top there it hasn't really got in the corner of my lashes up the top there, which is something that I do struggle with. So we'll just try and... So with the one lash, I feel like it has separated pretty well. It's clumped a little. The lower lash line looks amazing. The only thing that I'm not really happy with is that it hasn't caught this bit of the lash here, which may be my application technique. My lashes are quite long on the end. That's why I usually use a shadow to go across the top lash line just to deepen it up, because I have quite fair lashes. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the other side. We'll try and get the other side a little bit better. I think this side I can usually get a bit better because I am right-handed. I can face that out a little bit better. There's both of my lashes done. Okay, so there is the demo, obviously not using the bended wand. I will also actually just sit on a pair of lashes on top, because usually I can tell if a mascara is black as black if the lashes blend in okay on the top. Sometimes if you put on lashes, you can see the difference in color between the mascara and the lashes. I'm just going to sit this lash on top. I know it's not sticking down the best, but it blends into my lashes, which is an indication that this is a very black mascara. Yes. After the little demo, I feel after wearing it a little bit longer and fiddling around with that lash, this kind of clumped them together. I feel like I have a few more lashes than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. It is late in the day. It's about 1 p.m. I'm going to check back in with you later today of how the mascara has worn, just to see if there's any transfer. And if not, I might wear it all day tomorrow when I'm at work so I can see the longevity of it. Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock and I'm back for a little check-in on my foundation. Oh no, it's not even foundation, it's mascara. I can notice that there is a bit of transfer down here and the tiniest bit of flaking just underneath my eyes. I'll do a close-up. Something that I didn't mention before was the curl. The curl on my lashes is actually like so good. You can see it from the side there. Looks really, really nice. It stayed, I feel, pretty well, but I have only worn it for like around 9 hours. Hello, here is the next day's application in the morning. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning. Hey guys, I'm back. It's about 9:30 and I'm ready to go to bed. Just wanted to do a final check-in of the mascara. I did use the mascara with the bended wand this morning, and to be honest, like I honestly found it a little bit harder to use with the wand being bent. This is how it's lasted. Now I can see a big splodge up here of mascara. My eyes have been watering a little bit here, but it hasn't really transferred, which is good. Apart from this splodge up here, perhaps a little bit of transfer underneath the eyes. I'll do a close-up. I know my makeup looks terrible. I've literally had it on all day. The thing that impresses me the most about this mascara is the longevity. I feel like it's 9:30 at night and I've had this face on 15 or so hours. My lashes are still really defined. They're still thick. They're still curled. The only thing that I am not liking was this little thing happening up here, and yeah, potentially some transfer down there, but it was also raining today and yeah, my eyes watered and it's held up. At this stage, I'm a fan of this one. It's black, it curls my lashes. It's pretty good to apply. As I said, I do think the wand bend thing, I think that that's a bit gimmicky. I don't think that that's really a make or break for a mascara. Perhaps they were just trying to catch people's attention with this. The wand with the tiny bristles, I find that that works best for me to get as close to the lash line as possible. I probably wouldn't say go and rush out and purchase it. It's life-changing, but for testing out something interesting, that is my thoughts. Thank you so much for watching this review on the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. Yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.